How to recover Jackson Hewitt account. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the tutorial. First and foremost, open up a preferred browser on your device. In the search bar, go ahead and search for Jackson Hewitt login and give it a search. You have to select the first option, that is My JH account. You'll be redirected to the official homepage of JH. So first step, you have to log in or sign up. Then head to My JH account. When you tap on My JH account, you will be redirected to a new web page where you have to enter your login credential, that is your username and your password. You simply have to tap on the option of Forgot Password or Need Help Logging In. Then most likely you have to enter your email address or username. Once you have entered your email address, go ahead and open up your Gmail. Then check for the email from JH. It will send you a link where you can reset your password or regain your access to your account. Just tap on the link provided to you and follow the instructions in the email. If you need more help with the recovery, at the top you should find the Contact Us option, where you have 3 options to live chat with an agent, calling, or even visit an office. You can select any of the 3 categories to help you with your issue. And that is all to how to recover your Jackson Hewitt account. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.